Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Basically, we're going to be doing a walkthrough of the basement of what I have done before the drywall starts to go up. So basically in here we have this room. It's all roughed into code. See my plugs on the outside. Okay. Have my lights. I have one outlet here for the sump pump. I have one light in here. And then here I basically have my switch to control. This room, we're only having 3 lights, sorry, 3 lights. This area here is the cold room. That's going to be my wires to go into the cold room. That's my switch. This is my switch for this room. I have a switch for the closet with one light here. As you can see, my wires are strapped down 2x4 to avoid the drywall screws. This one here is going to be a TV plug with my wiring for the washroom. Two pot lights and a fan. In here we have GFI receptacle, LED mirror light, and one plug for the toilet. If we go into this room, this is the gym area. One TV outlet, one receptacle, couple pot lights with a fan, and here I have my pot lights. These are my receptacles for the gym. That's my switch. That's my 3-way for the stairs, along with 2 lights. This wire here that's hanging is going to be for the under stairs. This hallway here, my lights and the speaker. We go into this room, one light here, switches, one to control this light, one to control this room with my connections for the sauna. This switch will control the bathroom lights. And these are 2 pot lights with a fan. It's another washroom, one GFI, LED mirror. Here I have a switch receptacle for the toilet, along with my 3 switches. In this room, this is the furnace room for the basement. I have two lights, one light here, another light here, washer and dryer, stackable. This receptacle is for the unit that's going to go into here if there's a water unit. In this room I have 1, 2, 3 pot lights. I have my speaker cable. I have my switch. I have 1, 2, 3 receptacles for this room. Sorry, 4. This wire is basically for the elevator pit. Which will have 1 light and 1 receptacle at the bottom of the pit. And here I'm going to have 1 receptacle for a fireplace. It's going to be a TV up here, data, and 150 amp outlet. This room here is going to be the theater. You can see there's going to be stairs here. This box is going to be for LED lighting around the bulkhead. This box also. Controlled by a switch. And here there's going to be another LED lights coming around here. And in this room I'm going to have, this is going to be my switch to control all the lighting. And then you see I have my speakers. My receptacles. TV outlet. This is going to be a little sink here, 15 amp receptacle. With a receptacle for the, we're going to have a fridge, 1 fridge. In this room we're going to have, I believe this is going to be some kind of kitchen in here. Sorry, not a kitchen. It's going to be a room where they can come and do some stuff. I have 1 fan, 3 pot lights, 2 receptacles up high. In this area we're going to have 1 smoke detector,